The Cleveland Cavaliers taking on the Minnesota Timberwolves, and it was a murder. T-Wolves went up by as much as 41 points, and they never trailed in this game. LeBron James, he only had 10 points tonight. 25 points for Andrew Wiggins. He's dancing on J.R. Smith, knocks it down in his face. First quarter, they were already up by 17. Second quarter, Jamal Crawford gonna pull up from behind the line. And a game like this is really interesting to watch for the Cavs. How did they deal with this type of situation? Another turnover, we're going the other way, and LeBron James says no at the last second. He baited him. He said, go ahead and take that layup. Get that cheese out of here. Going the other way, Wade turns it over again. Can LeBron get another chase down? No, he can't. This time he throws it down with LeBron James chasing. The bench, the fans are loving it. He's getting a little bit of revenge. Jimmy Butler, spin move on Wade, gonna pop the three. At the buzzer, talk about shot clock cheese. What a lead. The Timberwolves, everybody's just turning the ball over for the Cavs. Butler in transition, being a savage, knocking down the three. Look at that scoreboard. This is unbelievable. And then Isaiah Thomas gets ejected from the game for this flagrant 2 foul. He just clotheslined Andrew Wiggins. I'm not sure what Isaiah Thomas was trying to do there. I don't know if it was frustration. The Cavs are down 30 points at that point. He's ejected from the game, and the Timberwolves are going to cruise to victory. Disappointing loss for the Cavs. There's Haley. My opponent's been attacking the flat all game long. So I put him in a flat, and then when the ball is thrown, he runs away from the play. He was terrified of tackling that guy. He just said, I'm going to just go back over here. So I had to sell him.